Hi, I'm brand designer Izzy Poirier, and today we're taking SweetCheeks Kitchen Style Guide to the next level. The goal is to create an impactful style guide that feels authentic to SweetCheeks' actual product. All that even without access to professional photos yet. Let's start by looking at SweetCheeks Style Guide in InDesign. A good style guide is a toolkit designed to make the brand consistent, easy to use, and ready for any medium. At the same time, it has to be approachable, breaking the brand into clear, digestible pieces that everyone can follow and use. The guide is structured to highlight the essentials. At the heart of it is the mascot, of course. It's the most recognizable part of the logo system, paired with the wordmark and variations that ensure SweetCheeks can adapt to any application. Fun fact, the owners love the mascot so much that they asked to be turned into mascot derivative themselves, adding a personal and playful touch to the visual identity. Typography, color palette, and patterns are included to provide consistency across platforms, and these elements ensure anyone can apply the brand correctly, whether they're designing a menu, signage, or printing packaging. But we want more than the cookie cutter visual, pun intended. A strong style guide is about equipping the owners with everything they might need in the future. One essential addition was photography direction because stock photos of sweet treats just don't cut it. When you browse stock images, we often get the same results: desserts on airy backgrounds or sprinkled with flour. There's nothing wrong with that, but none of these feel like SweetCheeks. Their gluten-free, retro, and colorful identity demands something specific, but most importantly, it has to feature their real products. The owners provided me with photos of their desserts from events they catered. I started by cropping one of their cupcakes to use as a base. I uploaded it into Adobe Firefly and used the Style and Composition reference tool to prompt a new photo of the cupcake on a clean background. I described the cupcake in the prompt and selected a background color directly from the style guide. Once I was happy with the output, I expanded the image's background before downloading it. This small step is critical for creating flexibility in social media design direction later on. This process isn't meant to replace photography, but to give it a direction. It bridges the gap between the style guide elements and SweetCheeks' real products, giving the brand an authentic and cohesive feel while ensuring the style guide provides actionable, foolproof direction. With the photography direction in place, we can take the next step, integrating it into social media to give SweetCheeks a unified look across all platforms. Today we'll focus on Instagram. Using the refined images from Firefly, I designed Instagram mockups that incorporate SweetCheeks typography, color palette, and key elements from the brand identity. These mockups show how the brand's photography can transform into a scroll-stopping post while staying cohesive and true to its playful, retro identity. This step elevates the style guide by adding another layer of value. It provides clear visual examples for social media content, ensuring that everyone working with the guide knows exactly how to create posts that align seamlessly with SweetCheeks branding. And this is how you can level up your style guide using Adobe Firefly and offer a photography and social media direction. Be sure to download the free InDesign style guide templates in the YouTube description below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Adobe Live YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our next episode, and thanks for watching!